welcome back to my channel. My name is Anika Kai and I'm going to show you how I got these rose quartz nails. My nail broke the other day, so I figured it was a great opportunity to film a tutorial. I'm new to Gel X, so please disregard the other crusty fingers. Here I am removing excess cuticles and prepping the nail before applying the new Gel X tip. I want to make sure the tip fits sidewall to sidewall and my nail beds are as clean as possible to prevent them from popping off again. One thing I've learned is not to skip any steps when it comes to nail prep. I like to add a thin layer of gel over my natural nail to protect it from heat spikes when curing. I also like adding primer to the gel extension before brushing on the nail glue. After curing for 60 seconds, I'm trimming and filing the nail to a medium coffin shape. I also like to file down the cuticle area to reduce some of the bulk. For extra strength, I'm adding another coat of builder gel over top before getting into the design. I'm curing that for 60 seconds and then buffing off the shine. Using this gel polish set I got from Amazon, I'm adding a coat of a light pink polish and a second coat of clear pink. I'm really enjoying all the colors that come in this set. They're all neutrals and either a pink or a peach, but really beautiful base colors, especially if you do a lot of like French tips or like a natural nude. Gorgeous colors. Highly recommend getting this set. To create the rose quartz effect, grab some white gel polish and a nail art brush. Start with a generous layer of base coat. Before you cure it, add some white swirls. If you have blooming gel, this step will be even better. I do not, so I am doing it the ratchet way. I found that the easiest way to do the rose quartz design is to Google an actual image of rose quartz instead of looking at other rose quartz nails, so you can get a more accurate feel for the texture. When I was done with this one nail, I was mad because it looked way better than the other one, so I probably will be doing another marble nail design video, so stay tuned for that one. When you're happy with the design, cure for 60 seconds, add a top coat, some cuticle oil, and that's it. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye!